In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check all the Google Forms you've filled in the past. Whether you're trying to review old responses, double-check something you submitted earlier, or you simply want to stay organized, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your browser and head over to Google Drive. Make sure you're signed in with the same Google account you used when filling out your forms. Once you're inside Google Drive, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small button that allows you to change how your files are displayed. This is the View Type button. Go ahead and click on it so you can switch your drive into a more organized view. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, from the same area, choose the option that filters your files by Google Forms. This helps Google Drive show only the forms you've interacted with, making everything much easier to find. Once you click on Forms, Google Drive will instantly refresh and display all the Google Forms you've filled out or opened while logged into your account. You'll see them neatly listed, and you can click on any form to view it again. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you use multiple accounts for school, work, or personal projects. Also, remember that you can use the search bar at the top of Google Drive. Just type form or the form's name if you remember it. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary confusion. Once you've located the form you want, simply click on it to open it. From here, you can view the questions, check if your response has been recorded, or even fill out the form again if the creator allows multiple submissions. After that, you should be able to manage all your filled Google Forms without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to organize your drive into folders if you work with forms regularly. Taking this extra step ensures everything stays tidy and makes your information easier to find in the future. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to check the Google Forms you've filled quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?